Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. Man, I wish I had somewhere to put all these pencils. Whoa!
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey! Bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This is the Tinkercad Pencil Cup designed by the world-famous Chuck Hellebuck.
Chuck's good people!
He is known by Elproducts on Thingiverse and Chep or Filament Friday on YouTube. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Chuck is known for doing really great Tinkercad tutorials on his YouTube channel. He also does most of his designing on Tinkercad. Let me show you a close-up to this cup. This was printed in AIO Robotics PLA on the AMA with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. For those who watched last week's episode about the takeaway dice, we found out that this makes a really good dice cup. Now that I have a cup full of pencils, I guess I gotta now do some schoolwork. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. So hey everyone, did you hear about the kidnapping at the school? It's fine, he woke up.